Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your GPU with NVIDIA SMI so you know the compute capability. This matters because TensorFlow requires matching Cuda and cuDNN versions. Once you have the exact versions, install the Cuda toolkit and the cuDNN runtime. Make sure drivers are up to date. After installation, export path and LD library path so the runtime can find libraries. Finally, reboot or restart your session to ensure the system picks up the new drivers and environment variables before moving on. You should create a virtual environment to avoid conflicts. Conda often simplifies Cuda dependencies, but pip works too. Once the env is active, install the TensorFlow GPU package that matches your Cuda/cuDNN stack. Use pip install TensorFlow or conda install TensorFlow GPU where appropriate. After installation, run a quick Python check. Import TensorFlow and list physical devices to confirm the GPU is visible. If TensorFlow does not detect the GPU, check Cuda paths, and that cuDNN. You now run a minimal training script to ensure the GPU accelerates computation. Monitor with NVIDIA SMI to see utilization spikes. If you hit out-of-memory errors, enable memory growth or set a per-process GPU memory fraction so other processes coexist. For performance, use mixed precision where supported. If something breaks, the most common fix is matching exact Cuda, cuDNN, and TensorFlow versions and re-exporting library paths. Otherwise, check driver updates and reinstall the problematic component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.